City, dati Tokyo, Japan, at ngayon Santa Rosa, Laguna. Nagsimula ako dito sa MBS4 or now PTV bilang isang trainee. And I remember nung time na yon, talagang wala akong kaalam-alam dahil although nagtapos ako ng broadcasting sa Ateneo, syempre iba yung talagang hands-on na matututo ka. So at that time, may mga telex pa. So as production assistant, tinuruan kami paano basahin yung mga storya dyan sa mga telex na yan. Kami yung nagpupunit o nagpumuputol ng mga storya, and then we were taught how to rewrite these stories into broadcast form. Of course, syempre, under the mentorship of the veteran reporters and the desk editors, talagang natulungan ako na mahubog sa broadcast language. And then I remember, at that time, merong nag-audition na para maging newscaster, and our big boss back then was Mr. Jess Matubis. So nung nakaset up na yung mga equipment, sinabi niya, sige nga, isala nga natin si Angelique, tingnan natin kung kaya niya. Little did he know na meron akong konting plano para sa sarili ko na someday I would also like to be a newscaster. So I did what I had to do, and I think Jess saw something in me, some potential that he could hone. So the very next day, I was already on the air doing the morning newscast with Thelma Dumpit. Of course, the rest is history. And now, after 39 years, I'm still at it because broadcasting is my oxygen. And PTV is my second home for many, many years.
สวัสดีครับผมชื่อนายชัยวิทย์นะครับสุจริตกุลซึ่งชื่อน้องเสือ